Exercise 3.4 problem 3 solution. If the quotient on dividing 8x to the power of 4 minus 2x square plus 6x minus 7 by 2x plus 1 is 4x cubed plus px square minus qx plus 3, then find p and q and also the remainder. It's exactly like the previous problem. So what we should do is that we will go ahead and do the synthetic division of this polynomial divided by the divisor, which is 2x plus 1. And you will get a coefficient, right? You will get a quotient. Compare that quotient with this, and on comparison you will be able to get the value of p and q. And the remainder, whatever we get in the synthetic division, will answer this part of the question. Okay, so let's get going. So let's check the coefficients. See, you have x to the power of 4, then x square. X cube is missing. Okay, so we need to add that. Then 6x and 7, so x cubed is missing, and here you have the coefficient of x is 1 in the case of a divisor, so you'll have to add that one additional step towards the end, right? Adjustment for this coefficient. So p of x, will rewrite it as 8x to the power of 4 plus 0x cubed. Whenever any term is missing, you'll have to add 0x cubed or 0x square or whatever is 0 of. I put 0 and add that coefficient there. Okay, so we just got 0 value, but we need to have that in the order for synthetic division to be correct. So 8x to the power of 4 plus 0x cubed minus 2x square plus 6x minus 7. And what's the 0 of the divisor? Equal the divisor to 0. That is 2x plus 1 equal to 0, or 2x equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus half. So the divisor is 0, the divisor is minus half. So let's do by synthetic division. Oh, okay, great. I missed this sequence. Anyway, that's fine. So let's write all the coefficients. The x to the power of 4 comes here. Coefficient of x cubed is 0. We'll write it here. Coefficient of x square is minus 2. Coefficient of x is 6. And the constant is 7. And 0, the divisor, comes here. And you have to add 0 for the first entry of the second row. Now add up these two entries. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 into half is 8 into half is, okay, I think I made a mistake. This is minus half. Okay, so that's why it's missing. 8 into minus half is minus 4. And 0 plus minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 into half is, minus half is, minus to minus will become plus, half into 4 is 2. So 2 minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 into half is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 into minus half is minus 3. So minus 7 plus minus 3. That is basically minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. This is the remainder which answers the part of the question. Right? Next, we have to write the quotient. But because the divisor is a fraction, we'll have to adjust for this, right? So this polynomial equal to this quotient into this divisor, that is x equal to minus half or x plus half equal to 0, right? So this polynomial equal to x plus half, well, just change the sign of this whenever you put it here. Okay, that's a simple rule. So x plus, or x is equal to half, you can have that also. So x is equal to minus half, so or x plus half will be equal to 0, right? So that's what it is. So x plus half into, get that quotient. This is constant, x square and x cubed. So it is 8x cubed minus 4x square plus 0x, we'll leave it as it is, and 6. Right, now you can simplify this as 2x plus 1 by 2. We need to take 2 commonly out to cancel this. So this will become 2x plus 1 by 2. After taking 2 commonly out, you'll be left with 8. If you take 2 out of it, this will become 4x cubed, 2x square plus 3. So that's what you're getting. And this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and the remainder minus 10 will get down here. So this dividend equal to this into this, and minus 10 the remainder. Okay, so that's what we are writing it here. So this is the quotient for this divisor, whereas this was the quotient for this divisor. So we had to do that adjustment. Now you compare this with the given quotient. So 4 and 4 corresponds, and minus 10, okay, 3 and 3 corresponds here. So which means minus 2 equal to P or P equal to minus 2, right? And is there any X here? There is 0. So 0X, so which means Q equal to 0. So we get P equal to minus 2 and Q equal to 0, and the remainder is minus 10. Okay, so as I said earlier, just one additional step. Do your synthetic division as usual and finally get the quotient and compare that quotient with the given quotient and get the coefficients, values of P and Q. Okay, so I hope I made it clear. If not, please go through one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.